Get a free trial of the #1 RV training program on the market. Hi, Todd Henson here, Master Instructor at the National RV Training Academy. We at RV Tech Course team up with us here at the National RV Training Academy to put together a program that you can watch in the comfort of your home. Introducing the RV Tech Course Home Study Program. Having an RV is about adventure, not headaches. That's why we want to empower you with the knowledge to fix most of the problems on your RV. People come from all over the country to get the training that they need in order to work on RVs. Now, I totally get it that you may want to come down here and you don't have the time, don't have the availability, maybe even the money to do such a thing. Everything in your RV is surprisingly easy to get to or easy to fix. Our goal is to show you how. You'll understand how to use your multimeter to detect and diagnose any electrical problems with ease. Propane issues, not a problem. We'll equip you with the skills to troubleshoot and resolve them effortlessly. All of this valuable information can be yours, starting at a low price of $197. That's right, for less than a typical service call, this information can be yours and you can have it for life. Don't waste another minute worrying about costly repairs or feeling hopeless when an issue arises. Join us at rvtechcourse.com and take control of your RV maintenance and repair needs today. Visit rvtechcourse.com and start our free trial today. And I want to personally thank you for considering buying our program.